Hey guys, back here again. I have another box break for you. This time I have some 2012 score to open up. So there's 36 packs in the box, 7 cards in each pack. So not sure if I'll do this in 1 or 2 parts, 3 parts, whatever. So there we go. So let's get started. Definitely be looking for all those awesome rookies, Andrew Luck, RG3, and all the other ones, Russell Wilson. So let's just get started. It's a nice product for the price, $1 a pack, and just it's really nice and cheap. So we got Plexico Burress, Michael Jenkins, nice Cam Newton, John Abraham, Steve Johnson, nice rookie there, Michael Kendricks, and Ed Reed is our glossy. There is 1 glossy in every pack, so I'll be looking for those. Devin Hester, there's Jackson, Carson Palmer, Laurent Robinson, Fletcher Cox, a gold zone, one of the inserts, and then Laval Brazil, and then rookie Lamar Miller as our glossy. So it's a nice pack there. We got 3 rookies in there. Jay Ratliff, Fred Davis, Ray Lewis, Golden Tate. There's a nice insert there. Brendan Tate, numbers game. Very nice. Check out the back. And then we have Cyrus Gray, and then Beanie Wells. Alright, Brandon Marshall, Steve Smith, Matt Schaub. There's a nice retro rookie card, Randy Moss. There's a hot rookie, Ruben Randall, really nice. And then there's Luke Ketchley. And then Jermichael Finley. I'm a huge Packers fan. Oh, I love my Packers. So how about we just pull out all these. I'll do half the box, and let's just start with that. Alright, Heath Miller, Brandon Jacobs, Preston Parker, James Laurinaitis. There's a nice one, RG3 hot rookie. Very nice. I'm going to sleeve that up right now. Throw him in the back there. Very nice. And then we got Ryan Tannehill. And then another rookie, Stephen Gilmore, glossy. So very nice hit right there. Not necessarily a hit, but a nice insert. So, Deion Branch, Marcus Colston, Brian Hartline, Jackie Battle. There's a complete players of Von Miller, George somebody or other there, and then Julius Peppers. So the glossy is always the last card in the pack. Ahmad Bradshaw, Tim Hightower, Tim Tebow, Blaine Gabbert. In the zone, there's Rashard Mendenhall, B.J. Cunningham rookie, and Stevie Johnson. And there we go. Start with a Packer. Desmond Bishop. We got Hayward Bay, Roddy White, Ryan Matthews. And there's another Roddy White, numbers game, 100 receptions. Very nice. And then a Kendall Wright rookie, and Thomas Jones glossy. Alright, we got Big Ben, Jacoby Ford. There's a Peyton, Andre Johnson. And there's a gold zone, Kellen Moore. He's on the Lions. I do live in Michigan, so I am a bit of a Lions fan. More of a Packers fan than a Lions fan, though, I do have to say. Alright, and then we have Aaron Hernandez. Oh, man. Troy Polamalu. Dwayne Landry. Dante Hightower rookie. Nice Tannehill hot rookies. And then there's Travis Benjamin and Brian Cushing. That's another nice. These ones, they're not numbered, but still really nice looking inserts. So here we have Santana Moss, Alex Smith, Tony G, Sam Bradford, and there's another Tannehill. Very nice. Mark Barron, and then a glossy Melvin Ingram. Two Tannehill hot rookies. Very nice. There we got Clay Matthews. Very nice. Ben Watson, Percy Harvin, Matt Castle, Christian Ponder. That's a scorecard. There we go. A nice Packer Mark Tyler and Deshaun Jackson. Alright, we got Brian Urlacher, Michael Bush, Charles Johnson, Greg Little, in the zone, Wes Welker. Very nice. There's a Kirk Cousins. See how much he'll play coming up here. And Patrick Willis. And see if RG3 can stay healthy. Alright. Dez Bryant, Ray Rice, Leon Washington, Donde Barber. Then a complete player, Pierre Paul. Very nice. Bruce Irving, and a Mercedes Lewis glossy. There we have Darrelle Revis of Revis Island, Terrell Suggs, Fred Jackson, and there's Wembley, and there's another complete player of Chris Johnson, Andre Branch, rookie, and Colt McCoy glossy. Alright, Jason Witten, Plexico Burris, Chris Lufton, there's Marshawn, there's Gronkowski, numbers game. Maybe he'll be able to come back this year sometime. Then Matt Khalil, rookie, and Dallas Clark glossy. Do a few more packs here, and then I'll cut it here. Just so the video's not too long, and be back with the next part. And there's Jay Ratliff, Devon Bess, Matt Hasselbeck, Antoine Barnes. There's a Brandon Weeden hot rookies. And there's Case Keenum. I don't know if I've ever heard of him before, but and then a David Wilson glossy rookie. So I think I've heard of Case Keenum, but I really don't remember him. So I guess this will be our last pack for this part here. And we have Fred Davis, Champ Bailey, Louis Murphy, Jake Locker. There's a gold zone of Kevin Zittler, and then a Marvin Jones, and Don Brown. Alright guys, that'll do it for this first part. I'll be back soon with the last of the box. See you guys later.